guys, so it's been a while since I've made a video, and that's because of what's happening at the moment in the whole world, and so I thought I'd put off you know, making videos. But today I've got two unboxing that I'm going to do for you guys from Louis Vuitton. It's my birthday in a couple weeks, and I was lucky to get these pieces just before we went into stage 4 lockdown, and so I want to unbox this with you guys. So I hope you guys, you know, find this, you know, entertaining just like I do. Even though with everything that's happening around the world, I still find myself, you know, going on YouTube and watching bag reviews and stuff, and so hopefully you guys you know, like this kinds of videos still, and hope I'll put out some more content like this. But anyway, let's just get started. Okay, so first off, let's unbox this little thing right here. So I got a little SLG that I've been wanting to get for such a long time now. So it comes in this box, and in here it just has my receipt, which is there. Okay, so I'll just put that here. This is actually the first time I'm unboxing this, and it's really exciting. This has been, you know, in my, you know, in my walk-in wardrobe for like 2 weeks or so, almost 2 weeks. I'm really excited to do this with you guys. I saw this one already at the stores. I checked it out and all, but I haven't seen it after it was all wrapped like this. So it's nice and wrapped like so. So let's just open it, and I will show you guys what I got. And so my first one I got is a Victorine wallet, and I've been wanting this wallet for the last 3 years, and I keep putting it off, and now I finally, you know, got myself one, and I'm really excited. So I might do another video of this, doing a full review, but I'm just gonna show you. So I got the one with the brown, you know, inner lining and stuff, just because it's more classic, and as you can see there, it's got card slots, and that's where you put your notes, and you've got a little zippy thing where you can put your coins. So yeah, I'm really excited to use this, and I'm very happy that I finally unboxed it. So that's my first gift for myself. Okay, so the next one in my Louis Vuitton purchase is this lovely big box right here, and I'm just going to show you what it is and explain to you why I bought it and stuff like that. Okay, and so I'm just going to grab it out of the paper bag. And I love the way they wrap it as well. It's so nice, you know, it always looks like a present. So I'm just going to open it. I already had a look, there's nothing in there. But I can write myself a note, happy birthday me. Alright, so let's open this box. And in here we got a lovely piece. I don't know if you already can tell what it is. And it's so cute. This is probably the first time that I purchased something that they put like, you know, what do you call this, kind of like paper and stuff. Usually I only get this from Chanel or Gucci, but that's really nice of her. And I asked her for some perfume samples, so she's just put that on there as well. And so for the reveal, I find unboxing is really satisfying, and so I'm going to share this one with you guys, obviously. And here she is. She looks so stunning. I love it. Now, I was originally after the reverse Pochette Metis, and I just couldn't get my hands on it. She actually messaged me on the day that I purchased this, and she said, "Are you still keen on getting it?" I said yes. And then I think one of the SAs that she works with snagged it before she did, and there was the only one in the store that day, and so she offered me a Pochette Metis in monogram, and I said, okay, I'll just pop in and have a look and check it out if I like it. And I tried it on, and it suits me. And also, the only thing that I didn't really want the monogram was I was actively avoiding the vachetta leather, because this is the first time I'm gonna be owning something with vachetta leather. But they told me that over time, if you don't really like how it patinas, they can replace it. Obviously you just have to pay for it, and I didn't know that. And so I was like, okay, well, you know, if I really want to in the long run, then I can, but I'll just have to, you know, look after it. And I think having a few Louis Vuitton pieces, I think I'm getting into the phase where I like monogram with the vachetta leather. I don't know if it's just me, you know, getting a little bit older. But anyway, this is the bag. Yay! So I'm just gonna open it. Okay, and I've got the strap here. And this is, I've looked at this already in store. This is made in Italy, and it's got the 3 compartments over here, and it's actually quite massive, as you can see. Like, you can fit a lot. This is really perfect for like traveling and stuff. Okay, and as you can see there, the vachetta leather. I'll do a proper review of this for you guys once, you know, I get to play around with it a bit more and stuff, and I'll do like what fits in it and stuff. But for now, it's just me unboxing my birthday gifts to myself. So I've got the Pochette Metis, obviously. I'm just gonna put the straps back in the bag. It's a bit finicky, isn't it? I'll just put it there. They told me as well, when you close it and there's not much in there, it's a bit hard as well, but I know I'll get used to it. So I've got that, and I've also got my little Victorine wallet. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my little unboxing today. I have been so excited to open these, and I'm just glad that I filmed it and unboxed it with you guys. So yeah, so if you want to know more about these pieces, I will do a more in-depth review about them. And yeah, I hope to see you more in the next coming weeks or months, because last time I, you know, put up a video was more than a year ago now. But ever since then, I've accumulated 3 other bags, including this bag, and I will slowly do a review on all of them as well. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Stay safe, stay well, stay healthy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.